Hello, my soul family. Hope you all are doing good. I'm very fine. Let's start this vlog. In my last two vlogs, I showcased the traditional art making process of Bengal. You can watch them through my channel. However, in this particular content, I have shared how I arranged and decorated all these artifacts on my table area to celebrate Bengali New Year, Lakshmi Puja or Akshay Tritiya, as all these festivals hold great significance in Bengali culture and all are celebrated in a similar manner. So I wanted to share this beautiful experience with my amazing viewers. I invite you to join me in enjoying decorations as I talk you through the process. I have kept all these items one by one in a balancing way. To my surprise, my kid also wanted to be a part of it and asked me if he could help me. This is his little hand collecting the grains. I happily let him place the cowries on the colors and he became ecstatic with joy. It was heartwarming to see him so excited to be a part of these festivities. During my 9th standard, I had the opportunity to read the novel Prothom Alo by Sunil Gangopadhyay, which has stayed with me ever since, and I thought that it would be meaningful to keep it here. Along with the novel, I also had placed Rabindranath Tagore's Sahaj Path. It is the primary book of Bengali alphabet, simple words with rhythmic expressions through lino cards illustrated by a famous Indian artist Nandalal Bose. This book holds a special place in the heart of every little ones of Bengal. During Nababarsha and Akshay Tritiya, we worship Mata Lakshmi. I had placed her with great love and care. This is Dhanir Shish, ear of rice, used to offer Mata Lakshmi. These are Borondala and vegetable basket made out of bamboo and bale. I had little restyled these later. Had placed the kalash filled with Ganga water and turmeric, betel nut, cardamom, clove, Gomati chakra, points, as all these are seem to be auspicious. This is my handmade upcycled clay flower pot which I have shared with you before. I have always craving for smelling Rajanigandha, but Kathmallika also have its sweet smells. Due to the scorching heat outside, the flower vendors were unable to get their usual supply of Rajanigandha. I was little disappointed and asked my husband to pluck some Kathmallika flowers from our society's garden, and I surprised that the Kathmallika flowers also gave off a similar sweet scent which filled our rooms all night long. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts on how it all looks. I'm sure it will be a visual treat for all of us. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more crafty vlogs. Thanks for supporting this creative journey. If I can inspire anyone, it will be my great achievement. So let us embrace these beautiful traditions and bring a touch of Bengali culture into our homes through these artful decorations. Thank you once again for watching my content. Enjoy your life to the fullest and stay always protected and divinely blessed. Stay tuned for the next upload. Till then, bye-bye. Namaste.